We chose Sigma because my parents have had multiple kitchens off Sigma Swansea. We also had one
in our old
house.
And we didn't want to go with any other company because the quality is just something that we can't replicate anywhere else.
It was just an easy decision.
When we went into the showroom, everyone was so welcoming. The first thing you do is sit down and get offered a cup of tea or coffee. And we were completely put at ease because she was so well prepared.
By the time we got there, I had the plans of our old kitchen from the system on the computer ready to go.
She could just visualise it far beyond what we could. Being such a big kitchen, Beth did recommend having the two-tone to break it up. And I think that was probably one of the best decisions we've made. On the things that we were completely undecided, she made sure she made time for us. It never felt like we were being rushed out.
No,
there was always, well, second and third cups of tea, I think, come in.
It wasn't just a case of have this because it's the most expensive thing. She'd talk you through why you could have that or why you could have an alternative, which lowered our costs by about £2,000, didn't it? And it wasn't just about the money, it was about making it work.
We found that she sort of got us. She made everything that we wanted work, but also added in suggestions without us feeling like it was taken over as her kitchen.
She took it down to every detail though, didn't she? It's like, obviously we're a young couple and we've got dogs, so when Beth was looking at the granite, she said have rounded, not straight, because the dogs could bang their heads and cut their heads, or if you have a baby you could catch on the corner.
She could see that there were certain things that we couldn't see straight away, which was really nice.
Really practical, sensible suggestions that put us in the right direction of what we wanted.
Yeah. And it just got us to, well, the end product, which I don't think we could have ever dreamed of it being to this standard and being this good.
I'm still amazed at how quickly and seamlessly they fit it.
With Gavin, when he came in, he said, I want to double check things, so we're just making sure everything's right. And it was really nice. It felt like you were having an extension of the family coming over and just having a quick chat with you and talking about what we wanted it for. And it never felt like a business.
My favourite thing is the sparkle of the granite. It's a cold winter's morning, you just turn the lights on, the granite just sparkles.
Yeah. I've always dreamed of having large wine racks. There was always something growing up about a big kitchen with wine racks. I think that was a major thing for me.
Weirdly, Beth's made the utility room one of my favourite rooms in the house, just by the way it looks.
Usually it's a dumping ground, whereas for us, it just feels nice that it's not an add-on. It feels like you're flowing into another part of the kitchen. We just couldn't believe the high standard that we had, and we really felt like we had got value for money.
The whole process down from the showroom
to the end product,
to us having to find chairs.
We had an amazing experience with Sigma.
Just can't fault it from start to finish.